Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsa Bache, and I am Mark Caradero, seller of the MSI Home. So for this video naman, ang di-discuss ko sa inyo is yung mga sample computations natin para kay Prisma Residences. Okay po? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsa Bache, and I am Mark Caradero, seller of the MSI Home. Hello, so kumusta po kayo? So I hope napanood ninyo yung first video natin kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay, so for this video naman, ang i-discuss ko naman sa inyo is yung sample computations natin para kay Prisma Residences. Okay, so para doon sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, so Prisma Residences is just beside Allegra Garden Place. So kung nadadaan po kayo doon sa C5 flyover, Bagong Ilog, going to Market. Okay, so other side naman, kung papunta kayong Libis, makita nyo sa left side. So ito po yung tatlong building na magkakatabi na parang pa-letter H. Okay, so this building, this project composed of 3 high-rise buildings po that hanggang 44, 42 floors lang po siya. So medyo mas mababa po siya compared dito sa dito kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay, and also pero dito po si Prisma Residences, mas malaki po yung lot area na to. So this one is around 2.5, 2.7 hectares. Okay, ang kagandahan nito, naka-separate yung amenity area natin dito sa project na to. And also, this project is also ready for occupancy. So, what is good about this project? So, ito mas maganda yung payment term dito because ang current promo natin dito is na-stretch up yung down payment natin up to 40 months. So, yun po yung kagandahan dito sa project na to. And also, for this project also, medyo mas mababa yung price natin. So, right now, we have an available 1-bedroom unit and 2-bedroom unit dito sa project na to on all 3 towers. So, I think kay Astor sometimes yung mga nagre-reopen on a lower floor pero nakukuha din agad. Pero if you're interested doon sa mga facing amenity natin doon sa first building, just send me a message pa so I can include you on my list para I can notify you whether if may mayroon mag-reopen na unit na lower floor na facing sa amenity. Kasi maganda po yung amenity area natin dito kay Prisma Residences din. Okay? So, going back to sa computation natin. So, what I will present to you is the 2 types of computation. Meron tayong 1-bedroom unit na 28 square meters and meron tayong 2-bedroom unit na 56 square meters. So, 56 square meters is our standard size. And dito kay Prisma Residences naman, ang balcony natin dito is standard steel railing natin. And yung aircon natin, provision natin for aircon dito is puro window type po tayo. Okay, so dito po, let's start the price. So, medyo mas mababa ng konti yung price natin dito for 1-bedroom unit na 28 square meters at 5.1 million. Okay? So, dito po, ang reservation fee natin din kay Prisma is 30,000 pesos na. Okay, so, let's get a 12% down payment amounting to 621,000 less the reservation fee of 30,000. So, ang net down payment natin for the 1-bedroom unit is at 591,000. So, ito na equally divide natin for 36 months. So, for 40 months pala. So, hanggang dahan ito mas stretch up, di ba? So, for 40 months at 14,700 a month for a 1-bedroom unit, di ba? Napakababa. Mas kagandahan nito para naging pre-selling siya kasi mas mahaba yung payment term natin dito. Okay, para good po ito para doon sa mga gustong mag-monthly payments po, 'di ba? Na parang for investment ba, 'di ba? 'Yan ang kagandahan dito. And then yung remaining balance natin na 4.5 million plus the closing fees of 500,000. So ito na yung pwede natin i-loan kay bank. So maximum of 20 years at 36,000. For 15 years at 41,000 and for 10 years at 52,000 pesos. Okay? And then yung 2-bedroom unit naman natin na 56 square meters and it is priced at 8.1 million. So, again, dito po, doon sa promo pala na 40 months, stretch up to 40 months, wala tayong discount na binibigay. Although, pwede rin yung 36 months with 1% discount. So, again, if you're interested on that promo, just send me a message. Nandiyan yung numbers ko po. Okay? So, for a 2-bedroom unit, price at 8.1 million. So, dito ang month down payment naman natin for 40 months is at 23,601. Diba? So napakababa for a standard unit na 56 square meters. So kung titingin kayo dun sa mga ibang developer nearby the area, actually DMCA has the most mas malaking unit type, mas malaking unit sizes, 'di ba, na in-offer at a very competitive price po, 'di ba, among the area. Okay? So, dito po, maximum of 20 years for the balance of 7.1 million plus the closing fees of 800,000. So, maximum, ang estimated natin na monthly amortization for 20 years is at 57,000. For 15 years, at 65,000 pesos. And for 10 years, at 82,000 pesos. Okay? So again, that's it. That concludes my presentation po for the sample computations natin dito para kay Prisma Residences. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing, pwede ko kayo dalhin kay Prisma Residences. And syempre, dito kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So again, thank you. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.